Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Guys, today this is what I have for you guys. Went to the cities and few days ago, and this is what I got, guys. This is a solid fans that really built really good. This is a NMB SMARTFAN. Okay, these are the specs for it. So this is a 12-volt DC, and it's built with a temperature control. It's a controlled temperature sensor that is built into these brushless DC fans. So at 40 degrees Celsius, so I'll let you do the calculation this time and do the math or the conversion. At 40 degrees Celsius, and this fan is going to be triggered by this sensor right here. See the sensor right here? So it's a temperature, it's a controlled temperature sensor. It's right there. It's a little guy right here. So we're going to be putting it to test. I want you guys to see closely or watch it keenly. I don't know if you ever seen something like this before. This one came from a very advanced product, and they're brand new. And I bought this, and I'm trying to put them into work, building my 12-volt solar system for the battery. Like I was showing you guys, if you haven't seen the videos yet, go back and watch the Ryobi box. That's why I'm gonna try to install this, so I can able to extract the hot air from the inside of the box from the inverter, and the other one is bringing cold air inside. So you see how it's designed, kind of like a jumper wire, a loop. So positive, negative, and is designed mainly or purposely for a 12-volt system. I have some 48-volt ones, and I think a 24-volt one. So back then, I still have them. So I was thinking about putting them into my battery box. And you can see it's really quiet, because when you have a big fan, it doesn't make that noise. Some people hate that noise because of its loud, high decibels. But look at this. This thing is putting a lot of air. It's big, so you can't even hear the noise at all. And it's a brushless. Look how thick this thing is. It shows you the airflow, the direction, airflow. It goes up this way and push the air back that way. It goes up, the arrow up, and push the airflow this way. So the air is blowing from the back here, from the right end. So these are made in Thailand. So the Asian Pacific. So this is the company name, MINE Mini Bear Company Limited. So in Thailand. So if you already dealt with something like this before, yeah, you tell me what you think about this. And it's $10 a piece though. I pay $10 fan. So it's kind of spendy for other people who say they're not gonna spend that kind of money, but I know where I'm putting my money, and I know what I want exactly. So guys, and this is what I've done, and I'm gonna put these ones for 12 volts applications, and I'll, you know, for just the build of it, you can see like a cast metal, okay, and it's kind of robust and heavy duty. I'll recommend this one without testing them yet, because just the quality, the way it's built, and I know when you see something that's really a high quality, you don't have to question it. So I took them off from the box. It came with a big box that has a lot of them inside. They standing vertical, and I just grabbed some of these when I saw them. So I wish I can able to get a lot of them. Maybe I can do a giveaway on my channel. But this is what it is, guys. It's a $10 a piece, $9.95. So really nice built fans. So just want to show you guys. Let me bring it closely and see the specs. For you guys, tech gurus, or some of you guys are into this, fans or part. This is the company, and this is a heavy duty and temperature sensor right here. The temperature control sensor at 40 degrees. You can see that at 40 degrees Celsius. So it's gonna be 25 degrees Celsius, gonna be 76, 77 degrees. So keep calculating. So I think this one can turn on around 100 and something degrees Celsius, 100 and something degrees Fahrenheit, and this thing is gonna trigger, which is cool because I don't have to use a relay to run this thing at all. But I don't know, maybe you guys have a different way of doing it, and I will see. That's a sensor right there. You can see it. See, that's a little thing here on the back. Where's my finger? Okay, let me turn the fan a little bit. You can see it right from here. See that little thing? Looks like a little capacitor or whatever it is. See that little sensor right here that's gonna monitor the temperature on that equipment or in that box, on that enclosure, that is gonna trigger the 40 degrees Celsius and power up this fan right away. So because of that, I decided to show you guys my findings here, live here at the command center of the JW Solar USA. And thanks for watching. We will see, trying to put them to work and see how everything works for us all. Live here, these are NMB SMARTFANs, 12 volt. 12 volt DC, control temperature, brushless. Alright, take care guys. Another video for you guys. Not that interesting, but something, just showing you some parts. I've never used any fan like this. I'm not a big fan of fans. So because I know what I was gonna use it for, and it only draws 0.5, so half an amp is taken from when it powers up. So this is the thing. Take care guys. Love you. Bye. Like and subscribe. Live from the command center of JW Solar USA. Stay tuned for this, for we are going to be bringing more videos, how I'm going to utilize them to my system. Alright, bye for now. 12 volt system is getting ready. I think we're going to get it complete this time.